We have all been there. You set up ambitious goals and then life happens. Distractions pop up, temptations are everywhere, and before you know it, your plans are derailed. What if I told you there's a better way? Today I'm sharing 4 powerful habits that is going to help you to stay disciplined no matter what life throws at you. These aren't just tips, they are game changers that have worked for countless people and they might work for you too. Number one habit is meditation. Self discipline begins with the mastery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can't control what you do. In a world that is filled with constant distractions and demands, self discipline is not just a challenge but is a necessity for personal and professional growth. And at the heart of discipline lies the mind, because the quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Meditation is often seen as a practice for relaxation, but it holds incredible power beyond just calming the mind. It is a profound tool that cultivates discipline at its core. Here's why meditation matters. It enhances self awareness. It invites us to understand our thoughts and emotions without any judgment, helping us to deeply understand ourselves. This self awareness is fundamental to discipline because knowing your thoughts, emotions, and triggers allow you to make conscious choices and stay on course with your goals. It also sharpens your focus and concentration. In a world where multitasking is often glorified, the ability to focus on one task at a time is a rare and valuable skill. Meditation promotes emotional regulation. It teaches us to respond rather than react impulsively to challenging situations. This emotional stability is crucial for maintaining discipline in the face of adversity, enabling us to stay calm and composed under pressure. It is not just a practice but a pathway to discipline because a disciplined mind guides us towards our aspirations with clarity, purpose, and resilience. Well known personalities like Oprah Winfrey, Deepak Chopra, Steve Jobs, and Virat Kohli have been often seen advocating for meditation practices. Now, how to start meditating? Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Keep your spine straight but relaxed. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Thoughts may arise during meditation, but instead of engaging with them, allow them to pass and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Start small but be consistent. Begin with just 10 to 15 minutes of meditation every day, but as you become comfortable, gradually increase your duration. I'll include a link to a beginner's guided meditation in the description box. Check it out if you are interested. Number two habit is building routines. It is not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. It is what we do consistently. Routines help us to stay consistent. Doing the same things regularly makes it easier for us to build good habits and achieve your goals. Your daily routine is the blueprint for success. Routines help us with time management. When you have a plan, you know what to do and when to do, which means you can get things done on time without wasting hours. Another advantage is reduced decision fatigue. With routines, you don't have to constantly worry about what to do next, saving your energy for more important decisions. Routines also make you more productive. When you follow a routine, you can focus better and get things done without getting distracted. Having a set routine can also lower your stress and anxiety. Knowing what your day looks like gives you a sense of control and helps you to stay calm. Routines that include exercise, meditation, healthy eating, and good sleep keep you feeling good physically and mentally, which helps you to stay disciplined. Routines break down big goals into small, doable steps. This makes it easier to stay on track and eventually achieve what you want. By sticking to routines, you build a strong foundation for discipline. This helps you to live a more organized, productive, and happy life. Number three habit is eliminating distractions. Discipline is built on the foundation of a distraction-free environment. First, let's understand what distractions are. Distractions are anything that takes your attention away from what you are supposed to be doing. They can be external like phone notifications or internal like worrying or daydreaming. These distractions can break your concentration and make it difficult for you to get back on track. They just don't waste time, but they break your flow. So how can we eliminate distractions? Here are some simple tips. Number one, Create a dedicated workspace. Find a quiet place where you can focus without interruptions. Keep it organized and free from unnecessary items. Number 2, turn off notifications. These constant messages can pull your attention from important tasks. So set no phone hours during your most productive periods and instead set specific times to check your messages and emails. Number 3, use time blocking. Break your work into chunks and dedicate specific times for each task. This helps you to stay focused and make your tasks more manageable. Number 4, take regular breaks. Short breaks can refresh your mind, but make sure that your breaks are timed and purposeful, because when you eliminate distractions, you can stay disciplined and achieve your goals faster. Number 4 habit is delayed gratification. In this fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with opportunities for instant pleasure, whether it's the impulse to buy something immediately, opting for fast food, or temptation of social media. Our brains are wired to seek immediate rewards. However, it's the ability to resist these temptations and choose long-term benefits over short-term rewards is something that sets apart those who achieve long-term success. Delayed gratification is the practice of resisting immediate reward in favor of more significant and often more satisfying rewards later on. It requires patience, self-control, and clear vision of your goal. Research shows that those who practice delayed gratification are often more successful in their careers, are healthier, and often more happier. Consider the famous marshmallow experiment that was conducted by a psychologist, Walter Mischel. Children were given a choice. They could eat marshmallow immediately or wait for 15 minutes to receive 2 marshmallows. Children, those who were able to wait, grew up to have higher academic achievement, better health, and more successful careers. This illustrates that the ability to delay gratification is the strong predictor of future success. When we practice delayed gratification, we train our minds to focus on long-term rewards. Instead of being sidetracked by fleeting pleasures, we learn to prioritize actions that bring us closer to our dreams. Over time, we are able to build resilience and patience, which are essential qualities to overcome challenges and maintain discipline. Moreover, delayed gratification enhances our self-control. Every time we choose to wait for a greater reward, we strengthen our willpower. This self-control spills over into other areas of our lives, making it easier to stick to our healthy habits, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay disciplined in our pursuits. There you have it. 4 powerful habits to stay disciplined and on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what habits help you to stay disciplined. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.